Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can upload a custom wallpaper to your homepage on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. So launch Mozilla, for example, on your desktop computer, and as you can see guys, my homepage here or home tab on Mozilla features that image or photo with that beautiful cute fox here. So if you'd like to upload your own custom wallpaper guys, all you will need to do is click into that pencil icon in the bottom right corner of your home screen or home tab, and here you will see a list of wallpapers. You may reset to default, for example, to return to the default wallpaper, or use one of the wallpapers within the Mozilla Firefox library, like for photographies here or solid colors wallpapers. Now if you'd like to upload your own one, simply click into this button, locate the given file on your device. So let me do that really quickly in JPEG or PNG, upload it, wait for the upload to be finished, and there you go. So as you can see guys, that's the custom wallpaper now, and that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.